Hello everyone. Today we're gonna start building a gardening bed back here in our backyard. We're gonna build it right here. It's gonna be 8 foot by 4 foot. We have just a little corner in here, this little section. That's pretty good, but I want something where it's gonna be full sun. And here it gets about 6 hours of sun or so, 6 or 8 hours. I want a full sun, so we're gonna start building today since it's nice outside. So today we'll keep working on our garden. We will get some leaves and some more manure, 2 bags. This is what you can do if you're in budget for a decent size of gardening vegetable, because the last time I got some manure I used it on this side. See, we got some pepper, celery, spearmint, and then I don't know what this is. I think it's kale or something. So yeah, we used manure in here. So I went and grabbed more, and that's about it. And this is just extra. If this is not necessary, the topsoil, but just I like to keep the gardening full, like on top of the blocks. That's why I went and got some more soil. Otherwise, this is just would be enough. As you guys can see, I was taking out the Bermuda, so I let it go at least 2 weeks, so I'd be able to see if there's Bermuda coming out still. If so, then I'll just pick up the little pieces that it comes out. But at least you need 2 weeks at least, not to plant anything, so you can see if there is little pieces of Bermuda, so you can pick that out.
Pensaba que primero era leaf manure y la tierra de arriba.
Okay, we'll go with the manure. Use a lot of manure. We don't want to be too hot.
¿Quieres el pico?
What?
¿Quieres el pico para empujar?
Nice. I need some more manure, a little bit down there. This is the heavy one. Okay.
No te estoy grabando la cara. No te estoy grabando la cara.
Okay. Instead of wood or rocks, like this section over here. These rocks, they start sinking down, and every year or every 2 years you have to pop it out and fix it. But the blocks, hopefully they stay in place a bit longer. So that's what we're gonna do.
Let's see how this goes. It's my first time.
Okay, we're gonna do parsley and then cilantro. We're gonna plant them. This comes on seed. We're gonna plant them in here on these little squares right here. Yeah, so cilantro is around there. That's the cilantro seed right there. So we're gonna plant them at least. Oops. It's like they don't need to be all the way down. Probably like 1/4 of an inch down the dirt. And right there. Oops. So we're gonna plant cilantro every 15 days or so. So we can keep harvest cilantro all the summer. So we're not gonna plant just all at once. We're gonna give every other week. And this is parsley seed. So we're gonna do the same thing. It's kind of hard to see. It's right there. Do another one in here. There you go. Perfect. That's it. We're done. We have all this space filled up with other vegetable, right? Alright, we're done.
So this is the end of our video. Hopefully you guys can acquire some tips from us. And like I said before, this is the first time that I'm gardening, and he's showing me some tips and teaching me. Hopefully everything goes well.
And thank you for watching our channel. If you like what we do in here, consider subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like. Thank you.